His daily Zohar Pshat, day 28. Today we're doing the Akdama of the Zohar Kodesh, of course, and we're the 12th line from the bottom of page Gimel Base. We're talking about the word which is closed up. Sagir b'mila bara. When everything was closed, the world of bara, amalava, v'eskayim b'avachafe akula to. The world was not and did not exist. I don't think it didn't exist, but it wasn't sustained, and everything was covered with tohu. So the word bara means to create, but also is the word bari. It's fascinating to use Sham Shmuel Hirsch to learn Zohar Kodesh, but it works. And the word bari is in Yafos Mar'el Brios Basar, being visible and healthy. But it also means that it is covered up, and the things are thick, fat. So therefore, the purpose of the Bria is not revealed. So bara is creation, but also is concealment, because it's something which is also, in Aramaic, external. It's the bara, chevas bara, the things which are external and not yet understood internally. So therefore, what opens it up? When does it open up? Pasach Tarin, when the gates are open, and it's ready to be used properly. Remember, told him, and to bring about Tolodin normally means progeny, but here means obviously told the Shemai Voretz, meaning the history of heavens and earth in a proper way. Kad asa Avraham Avinu comes. They see Elo Tabodo Shemai Bihi Bar Bam. And Chazal tell us what's Elo Tol Shemai Bar Bibaram. Says Al Tikri Bibaram Ela Ba'Avraham Atina Be'Avraham. Now, in the word Avraham, we have Al Beis Reish, which is bara, but not spelled it's spelled differently, and we'll come back in a minute. And we also have haim, which relates to the word ma, which we spoke about at length already, means the question which represents the understanding of what's going on, as opposed to me, which represents the beginning, the initiation when things are not yet understood, and the ma, which represents the understanding which comes when you can say, oh, koach ma, this is what is going on in the world. So, first of all, the bara becomes avar. And avar, also using Sham Shmuel Hirsch here, is related to the word abir. And abir, there are actually two meanings here which are relevant to us. The first meaning is to powerfully elevate, midei avir Yaakov, and to spread wing, Yisa'el Evroso. And when can the world soar? When can we powerfully elevate it? When we have an Avar, then we have a Avram. Avram, of course, the Avos, we represent to us the beginning of the purpose of creation, especially Avram Avinu, the paragon of Chesed, for which the world was created. Arti Olam Chesi Boneh. Umadahava Kula Sasim Memilas Bara, that which is completely concealed in the word bara, is hadru asvan lishimusha. The letters have now come around to be usable. V'nafak amuda davi taladin, and the pillar has come out, Avram Avinu, which can make now the todo shamayim va'aretz. Once you have the midah of chesed coming forth, which is symbolized by Avram Avinu, then the world can be properly opened up. The gates can be opened. Then Aver Soda Kadisha the Alma Kaimala. Aver beside represents a wing, but in general it's a term for a limb. And this is the limb of the Soda Kadisha, and it could be it's referring to the Bris Milah here, right? Because obviously the Bris Milah of Avram Avinu was the culmination of the creation of Avram Avinu, and it's the bris on which Shammai Voretz depend. It could be referring to actually the Aver Yisoid itself, to the male organ. But I don't know if it necessarily has to refer to that. If it does, it's not, because it complements the idea. In other words, Avram, when he came and brought Shlemus into the world with Ois Bris Kodesh, so then the world came to its proper so to speak, revelation. What was concealed was revealed, meaning that the Avodas Hashem, which till now was not fully operative, now became operative, and therefore the world could be used properly. And when this aver, avor, is embedded in the word bara, in other words, it's reached where the letters are changed around. Kidein Rashim Stima Ilah Kadisha Galah Rishim Achra Lishmei B'Karei. Then that which was written in a way which is blocked up on high, now it's written differently for the honor and for the glory of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. V'dayumi, and this is also brings about the me. Now here the Zohar, are going to come back to this of course tomorrow. Here the Zohar is going to make a fascinating correlation between the 5-letter word Elokim, with the obviously with the Hey instead of Kuf, and the 5-letter word Avraham. And we're going to see how Elokim's revelation of the world and Avraham's revelation of the world work hand in hand together. But that's ready for tomorrow.